Hello guys! Today we are gonna show you how to make hwachae.
Watermelon punch. All you need is just watermelon, milk, Sprite, and some stuff from your fridge.
If you don't have Sprite, just use the soda, whatever you have in your fridge.
It's been so hot lately, so we need to cool down the heat with this super simple recipe. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, let's cut the watermelon first. It's huge. Can you hear the sound? Oh,
Looks good.
I can smell the sweetness. Today I'll use just quarter of this watermelon. 맛있겠다. And then scoop out the watermelon flesh, just like this. Don't throw it out, this juice.
My goodness, it's like sugar. Can I try? It looks fun. Ugly part. Ooh.
It looks like kids' cooking lesson.
My cooking skill is like keys. That's why.
It's not even cooking.
It's like art class to me.
Now you need to put the 150 milliliter of Sprite. This is Korean Sprite. It's called 천연 사이다. $150. And 300 milliliter of milk. After that, 1 tablespoon of honey. If you don't have honey, then just use sugar. And whisk it just for a while. If you have any fresh fruits in your fridge, then you can put whatever you want, like a banana, blueberries, strawberries, kiwi or something like that. But I don't have at the moment, so I'll put this fruit cocktail canned. It's gonna make it prettier. Holy crab on a cracker.
What are you talking about?
Ooh.
And lastly, the most important part is the ice. Okay, it's done.
Ooh. It's pretty.
It looks like strawberry milk. Okay, let's have it. I don't think we can finish it all, so
Yeah, it's
for you. And it's for me. Okay, let's have it. So sweet.
Does it make you cooler?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's totally different from just normal watermelon. It's like a dessert.
Can you see? Ooh. It's true.
Alright guys, today we show you how to make hwachae. Super easy, right?
We hope you guys have very cool summer with this amazing hwachae. Alright guys, see you
Next time, bye!
Bye.